That
So
prediction.
Ashwini, when you explained in the nakshatra when you explained in the nakshatra, I learned from there the molestation and the relationship, with the sibling, the when it is going in the three Gemini sign.
Yeah.
So I tested in more than I mean approximately 15 charts I've tested after studying from you. And sir, you will not believe it is bang on, sir. I mean, people tell at the end when they get the confidence, and slowly when you will, I will say, sir, don't mind, but this is a prediction that I'm doing, and sir, they get stunned, and sir, I
See
mean,
that to
hats
make
off to
that
your
prediction,
prediction, sir.
that you have a illicit relationship with your sibling or your cousin, you need that guts, you need that courage that to tell the client that you have relationship with your sibling
And
or your
molestation
cousin.
also, sir. Your
Molestation,
molestation was also correct,
molestation.
sir. Yes, sir.
So that's what the nakshatra does. Nakshatra will tell you that this is how it works. That's what the nakshatra, every single technique of nakshatras, it has taken time, and that's how it's been developed from that same elephant techniques.
Sir, I want the logic, sir.
For which
Elephant
simple thing?
logic.
I want you to think.
Sir,
Sir, I want to thank you, sir. Actually, I mean, it is a great opportunity. I mean, I came across, and sir, I used to watch your YouTube videos and used to learn from you. But the moment I, gone from predictive course, and it is, sir, uh, it is like, sir, hats off to your knowledge, sir. I mean, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's
Well,
Shukra Vanshi. Everything, every single line is priceless. I mean, it's hats off to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you. See, actually, it's hard work of the students as well in that one. But
Respect your knowledge, sir. Respect your knowledge. Respect your research, sir. Truly.
like when Shatabdi will go to college, she will have problems related to her vehicle. Her expenses will increase. There will be problems related to money, and then she will start donating to temples. Like when she will go to college, there will be a habit of her that she will donate to temples. Shatabdi, which temple you used to donate to?
I used to save money, like whatever my mother used to give for daily transportation. I used to save money. I used to walk back home, but I used to save that money either for donation or like this.
Why I'm using it? Use that elephant. I'm only using the qualities of that elephant because it is written the elephant will be in front of her house. So that front of her house is telling me that donations has to go to temple now when she will go to college. So what you have to do is think about why I made that prediction. I'm telling you
Sir,
that every single
Sir,
line you need.
you have given the logic, sir. We have to understand very, in a depth way. You have mentioned in many of the lectures that take the house, then take the karaka, and the natural karaka. Like Mars is for a home, for Saturn and Mars is for developing the home, and it is the like the engineer job. So and then Saturn is also the karaka of employees. You know,
Exactly. So
so we
what you
have to
do
get.
is when you read one shlok, like yesterday I was reading BPHS, I read 3 pages. And after that I sleep on the same sofa. Why? Because after 3 pages your brain tires. It's not 3 pages. They have written in 3 pages someone's life story. That why in the 55th Navansh, when the 10th Lord goes in 4th house, in the 60th Navansh, in the Navansh of Ghora, in the even sign, there will be a punishment from the government. But why? How I can use it? So I know that Saturn in the Navansh of Ghora, in the sign of Cancer Navansh in the 4th house, will also give the same result. There will be trouble from the house will get demolished by the government due to legal reasons. But also the 17th Navansh will give you the same results. So when you read 3 pages, it gives you the material for 3 hours or 4 hours, and then you think, okay, why it is written, why these things are mentioned. You think behind the stories. So we'll do something in the Leo section as well. Next class, I will invite you guys. I hope that by that time I think there will be Navratri.
One small, sir, one just last small thing, sir. People roots, people is called for Jupiter, the people tree.
It's a Saturn. It's a Saturn tree.
So the roots coming in 12th. Okay, it's a Saturn. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Saturn,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank you.
sir.
Aman, sir.
Thank you.